You've been using your dishwasher wrong your whole life. Discovering these secrets will make doing the dishes effortless. You've probably noticed that you can adjust some small parts of your dishwasher. For example, the upper rack has wine glass holders on the sides. Placing them here ensures the glasses are perfectly cleaned, and you can easily slide out the cutlery drawer. You can also adjust the height of the upper rack to create more space. Just pull it out slightly and lower each side. Always place cups along the sides of the dishwasher so they're tilted at the right angle to prevent water from pooling on the surface. Small bowls work best like this, slightly tilted so water jets can clean the inside thoroughly. The same goes for plates. You're probably placing them straight up, which makes the water spray upward instead of hitting the dirty surface. Plates should be angled so the spray directly targets the grime. When the cycle ends, place a kitchen towel over the top rack. It will absorb excess moisture that would otherwise settle on the dishes. These simple tricks will completely transform your dishwashing. Everything will shine effortlessly. Take a piece of aluminum foil, crumple it into a ball, and throw it into the dishwasher. Your dishes will shine like never before. Their brilliance will blind you. Everyone will ask you what you use to wash them. If you have favorite glasses and are constantly dissatisfied with their appearance after being taken out of the dishwasher, then this trick is for you. You'll forget about dull glasses, dishes, or stemware. From now on, their shine will delight your eyes. All arranged on the shelf will be perfectly clean and shiny. The trick with aluminum foil balls works not only on glass. It also cleans and polishes cutlery. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny knives, forks, spoons, and teaspoons. And all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Unroll a piece from the roll and crumple it into a ball. Place such a ball in the dishwasher. Put it between the glasses. Place another one or two between the cutlery. Aluminum foil reacts with detergents during dishwashing. As a result, it oxidizes the dull glasses, stemware, or cutlery. A small ball of foil works wonders. It's like polishing dishes and cutlery, except that aluminum foil will do it for you. Always put aluminum foil balls in the dishwasher. Metal pots, glasses, and cutlery will shine. Your neighbors will envy you. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle, and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month, and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Cut your dishwasher tablet in half. There's a very good reason to do this, though the manufacturer won't tell you. You've probably run the dishwasher when it seemed full, but have you noticed it's not always fully loaded? Your dishes and kitchenware come in different sizes, and some take up much more space. That's why it makes sense to have dishwasher tablets in different sizes. It's not only a money saver, but also proof that in most cases, half a tablet is enough for one wash. So, grab a sharp knife and cut the tablet in half. Place one half in the detergent compartment and start the dishwasher. You'll never have to use a full tablet for one cycle again, especially when washing large pots and pans that take up space, but don't require a lot of detergent to get clean. That's reason enough to start cutting your dishwasher tablets in half. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce the amount of detergent used, which is better for the environment. This trick with a dishwasher towel will dry wet dishes in just 5 minutes, and without any wiping. Do you ever find that your dishwasher doesn't dry the dishes? What do you do when you want to take out plates, bowls, cups, and containers, but they're still wet. I used to take a towel and dry such dishes by hand. It took a lot of time, but I didn't like the water streaks it left behind. This problem often occurs with plastic containers. Plastic dishes don't retain heat, so they dry more slowly. You often take them out of the dish, washer still wet. Sometimes even regular dishes or cups are wet. However, there is a way to ensure that dishes, including plastic ones, are dry. You won't see a single drop of water on them anymore. The problem will disappear in just a few minutes. All you need is a towel, or even two. But you won't be wiping the dishes with them at all. The towel will do all the work for you. After a while, the dishes will be dry. Just use a regular dish towel. When the dishwasher finishes its cycle, pass it through the dishwasher door and close it. The dry towel will absorb all the moisture from the dishwasher. You can hang even 2 towels through the dishwasher door. The effect will be 100%. A small terry towel will also work very well. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry. My dishwasher smelled like rot. I placed a few cut lemons inside and ran a cycle with no dishes. Lemon peels work as a natural degreaser. They dissolve soap residue, limescale, and grime. They also freshen the drain and neutralize bad odors. Now my dishwasher smells fresh again. No chemicals needed. Put toilet paper in your dishwasher. You'll thank yourself later. After the dishwasher finishes the washing cycle, place a roll of toilet paper inside and close the dishwasher. The paper will quickly absorb excess water from the dishes, preventing spots and streaks. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry and you can put them away. This simple trick saves time and makes cleaning easier. Clean your oven while you sleep. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. It works every time. Start by removing everything from the oven. Prepare a bowl and pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Place the bowl in the oven. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and salt helps remove residue. Stir the water and vinegar mixture. Leave the prepared oven overnight. The heat from the water and the properties of the vinegar will dissolve the grime without you lifting a finger. The next day, dip a clean cloth into the water and vinegar mixture. Squeeze it slightly and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to this simple trick, your oven will shine without the use of chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. Your oven has never been this clean.